How to reset and clean up your Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your Google Chrome. All what you have to do is so easy and simple. Go to the top right here on those three dots, and then all what you have to do is simple. Just go here and click on settings. As you can see, after you click on settings, now all what you have to do is go to this option right here. Let me show you. Click on this. As you can see, it's called reset and clean up, and after you click on it, all what you have to do is click on restore settings to their original defaults. And now, as you can see, this action will reset Google Chrome settings and shortcuts and disable extensions and delete cookies and site data. Click reset and everything is gonna be done. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the very end.